Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you how you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing any of your data step by step. So first up, go to this website and download Windows 11 Installation Assistant. You can go with other options, but this is the easiest. Now open the downloaded software and click on accept and install. Now this process is going to take time, so grab a cup of tea and have some patience. Wait until all three processes are completed. Once it's done, your PC will restart. Again, wait until it's done. Now you're almost there, and this won't take much of your time. Now as you can see here, we have successfully upgraded to Windows 11, and you can also upgrade your Windows by following these same steps. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.